In this video, we will show the best drum sets in India 2020. At number 1, Alesis Nitro Mesh Kit. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, Havana imported HV 522 acoustic drum set. Features. Our review. At number 3, Behringer XD8 USB electronic drum set. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, Alesis Compact Kit 4 Drum Kit. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 5, Ambition Basic Drum Kit. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.